wear blue. Like I need options, you know? But I got this.
Today I'm going to show you how to do the distortion effect using video stock. But before we start this video, I would like to say that this effect isn't as clean as I'd hope or like. Anyway, let's go. So firstly, set the start and set the end of your video and then click make a video. And now you're going to go to where you want to do the distortion effect, and my one is somewhere in the middle around here, and then click edit and split scene, then split it, and you're going to look for where you want the distortion effect to finish and also split there as well. Once you do this, you're going to go to the split and click new and click effect clip. My goodness. Now you're going to click the plus sign at the bottom right corner and search up distortion and click it right there. Then you're going to click the arrow up here and you can choose whichever distortion effect that you'd like, and my one is currently this one here. Now once you've done that, you can choose whether or not you want to be not so distorted or very distorted. I want to put mine in the middle around here. Then you're going to click like I need clip, and this is the finished product.
I don't know why, but everything I kept wanting was this shade of color. And I was like, I can't only wear blue. Like I need options, you know? But I got this top, which I
hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!